Good morning. Today is Wednesday, 18th of November, and it's day 5 of my press-up challenge. So this is doing a stretch of press-ups after taking about 30 deep breaths, and demonstrates the power of the breath, which I came across in a video by Wim Hof. I'll put the link in the show notes below. So with that, I will begin about a minute of deep breaths, and then I'll do my challenge. Here goes. "39, a bit better than yesterday, equaled my record of the day before. That's good. Still on target to get to 64 in about 11 days. We'll see. So today I wanted to revisit autophagy. And that was something I spoke about on Saturday and Monday. On Saturday I did a 48-hour, I was going to do a 48-hour fast, which I completed on Monday. And that was to stimulate autophagy. And basically what autophagy does is it enables the body to eat up all the dead cells so that you produce new healthy cells. And I came across a video by Dr. Mindy Pelz, someone I follow quite regularly. She came across a document that has linked autophagy to improved immunity. So basically, when you stimulate autophagy with intermittent fasting or through intermittent fasting, it's basically like changing the oil in the car. So you're basically cleaning up your system and improving your immunity, and it stimulates cell production, new cell growth. And it also helps to regulate cytokines. You've heard of the cytokine storm recently, no doubt. Anyway, I'll put the link to the document. You can read more about it. And you don't really need to go 48 hours to stimulate autophagy. You can do that in a window of 17 to up to 72 hours. And I choose 48 hours because it is very comfortable for me. I haven't gone beyond 48 hours. Maybe it might be something I'll do in the near future, but for now I like to do it every 10 to 14 days. And people are shocked when I say I fast for 48 hours, but I don't feel hungry, and it's not a hardship to me really to do 48 hours because I'm used to eating once a day and hardly feel hungry through the day. So in effect, I'm actually experiencing some form of autophagy every day anyway with a 24-hour fast that I do. And that is something you might want to consider because it has now shown that it is linked to a healthy or a more optimum immune system that can help you to fight disease. So to get into doing longer fasts, you really need to reduce your starchy carbohydrate intake and up your saturated fats. Protein is important, of course, but fat should form the bulk of your diet, and that will keep you going longer through the day without having to eat so often. I hope that helps. Like I say, I'll put all the links down so you can have a look yourself. So have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow, all being well. Bye.